In this video, we are going to be doing a demonstration on our donut 3D bath bomb mold that we print. It consists of 2 cups and an outer shell. So we're going to start, they're both the same. Both shells are exactly the same. I'm sorry, both cups are exactly the same. Put one down, take your shell, place it on the top. We're going to lightly fill. I just kind of hover above the mold and let it fall from my fingertips. Give it a little shake in between to make sure that all of that bath bomb mix gets down into your cracks and crevices. Fill it right up to the top, even with the top. Give it another little shake. Take your top cup, turn it over, stick it on the top, and we're going to give some presses. I always take my skewer and get rid of this ring right in the middle, pick it up a little bit. All right, this one I just remove I don't do any taps because it's really not necessary with the donut. If you find it necessary, then go ahead and take your spoon and give some taps all the way around the outside edge of your outer shell. I always give another little push just to kind of minimize that Saturn ring a little bit to make it easier for me to package. You guys do what you want. Some people like a really big Saturn ring. They like the look of that. So now I'm just going to give it some gentle taps all the way around the outside, both top and bottom. Taps on the top, taps on the bottom. Pull straight up and off. Grab your cardboard, stick it on the top and turn it over, straight up and off with your other cup. And there's a beautiful donut. I will put a link down below where you can purchase this and any other of our 3D bath bomb molds on soap-chef.com.